Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review. Today we're going to be looking at a tempered glass screen protector for my Pocofone F1. There's actually two tempered glass screen protectors in this box. The company, Aolander, bought these through Amazon for $7.99. Yes, I will be leaving the link down below in the description. Hopefully they will work. I've never heard of this company. It could be a hit, but it could be a miss. Okay, could be a success, but it could be a big fail. Screen protector, premium tempered glass Pro Plus. I've waited almost 2 weeks for these to come in. Once I knew I was going to order in the Pocofone F1, I ordered these first. It was only supposed to take a week, but it's been 2 weeks, but I did not cancel my order due to the fact that it is very hard to bring in products for the Pocofone F1. You can go through Amazon like I did with these, AliExpress, eBay, GearBest, and I'm sure there's other websites you can go to bring in products for your Pocofone F1, but you're going to have to wait a while. It's not that simple. I got a couple cases coming in from eBay. They should be here in a week, hopefully. I did not order a case or two right away just because I knew I was going to get a case in box, which is right here. This TPU flimsy, flexible, smoke black case, which works. Okay, something is better than nothing because I don't like taking out my devices without any protection whatsoever. The screen protector I have on here right now is a makeshift screen protector. I don't even know what smartphone this screen protector went to. I just found it in a box that I have full of extra screen protectors, and it went on almost perfect. So thank God I had that. Anyway, over at Amazon, $7.99 will get you two Aolander Xiaomi Pocofone F1 screen protectors, anti-scratch, anti-fingerprint, bubble-free tempered glass screen protector for your Xiaomi Pocofone F1. Okay, $7.99. But again, it will take some time, a week or two. You're going to have some patience. I think I'm going to order a couple more cases through GearBest now that I have a couple coming from eBay. Anyway, so let's go ahead and do the install and see if this tempered glass screen protector is going to work for my Pocofone F1. I would suggest you shut your device down, power it down. It's going to be a lot easier to begin the install process and end the process without being interrupted by a phone call, a message, notification, or accidentally touching the display and opening up an app, going into the web, YouTube, whatever. It's very annoying, so shut it down. It's a lot simpler that way, and then when you're said and done, boot it back up. In the box, this package here, microcloth, dust absorber, wet wipes, and a little card with email address that you can go and leave your experience with these tempered glass screen protectors. Let them know, was it good, was it bad? And yeah, I'm sure that they would like to hear some feedback from you. Right here we have a little pamphlet that gives you the instructions, the visual instructions on how to apply the tempered glass screen protector to your Pocofone. Okay, so with that being said, let's move all of this aside. I will need this, I will need this. And here are the two tempered glass screen protectors that is promised to be in this little box here, a little package. So, and we're going to use one. So hopefully I don't have to use a second one. And we're going to begin the process. Whew, okay. So let's go ahead and wipe down my Pocofone F1. That's been an amazing device. The cameras on this device are phenomenal. Battery life, over 8 hours. Basically every day. Connectivity, yeah, no 4G LTE, but it's doing the job. 3G, HSPA Plus, and 4G. It's getting it done. It's a very fast device. Performance functionality is just amazing. Yeah, it makes you wonder why we keep spending so much money on those smartphones that cost around $1,000, right? All right. Be patient. Be patient. Okay. And hopefully you can see it adhering to the display there. It's almost done. Almost. So what you'll want to do is take your microcloth and gently just help it a little bit, very lightly. Again, this is either going to be a hit or it's going to be a miss. It's going to be a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Seems like it's adhering to the display. Couple little areas there, but that's looking really good. We are powered up and ready to go. The Aolander tempered glass screen protector for $7.99 over at Amazon, looking good. Now, if you want to wait a few days for my update, you can do that. But if you decide to go over and order, when you hit that link down below in the description, make sure you read everything. Try it out and let me know what you think. But right now, it's looking really, really good. It's looking really good. Very sexy. Cutouts are perfect. Aolander tempered glass screen protectors for the Pocofone F1. Thanks for watching, everyone. God bless. I am out. Please leave a thumbs up if you like this video. A thumbs down, well, if you do, let me know why. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share on your social media. Peace.